So I found this on eBay, and it didn't have a lot in the description. It just said that the seller was told that it needed a charging port. As far as I could tell, it seems to be in pretty good shape. It needs a little bit of a clean, I think. It's hard to tell with these top screens, but I'm hoping that the screens are okay. I have had a little bit of a look at the charging port, and it is indeed messed up. So let's get it taken apart and check it out. Okay, so here we are. Like I said, it's in good shape, but as you can see, and I'll put it under the microscope here in a minute, the plastic and that's normally inside of the charging port has been broken, and we have a pin that's pushed back against the back wall, so it's definitely not going to be able to charge as is. Let's get it taken apart, and what we're going to do is we're going to remove the battery, and we're going to try and power it on with a known working battery first. And if everything seems okay from that point, then we can go ahead and we can get a new charging port installed. So let's get it apart. Okay, as you guys can see, it definitely has an issue with the charging port. Hopefully nothing is shorted out, but we will check fuses, all that good stuff. But first, let's get the battery out of it and see if we can actually get this thing to turn on, and take a look and see what the screens are doing. Now these batteries do have adhesive, so you have to kind of be careful, which in this case, I think our best bet is to, we'll go ahead and remove the plastic holder for the battery and the stylus. So the battery is definitely swollen, but I'm going to go ahead and check the voltage. Yeah, it's totally, completely flat. We have 0.02, so that's definitely not going to work. Let's see if we have a replacement. We're going to check the voltage in this guy real quick, just to verify that it's going to work. Well, it might not work, but okay, 3.6. It's a tiny bit low, but I think it might be enough to actually boot it. Okay, I seen it come on for just a second, but I think this battery is a little too low for what we need. So I think I have one more though. Indeed we do. Okay. Again, let's check the voltage. Around the same, 3.6. Let's see if we can actually see something this time. Okay, blue light. There we go. Okay. So it looks like all we really need is the charging port. All right. Good to know. Okay, so I made a mistake. I was thinking that the charging port for the 2DS XL and the 3DS XL are the same. They're not. It's actually got the same one, as you can see here, as the original 2DS. So I do have a donor. So what I'm going to do is pop it off real quick, and we'll be right back where we were. All right, that should do it. See when we plug this in if it gets a charge light. Yep. There we go. And it goes out because there's no battery plugged in right now. All right. Success. All right. Let's get this thing put back together real quick and give it a test. So this guy actually cleaned up very nice. I'm happy with how he turned out. Screens are in nice shape. Let's see if he plays a game. And of course, if you're going to test it with a game, you got to test it with some Mario. We have sound. Oh yeah, there we are. All right. But the most important part, is it charging now? Is it fixed? It is indeed charging. Cool. So I'm very satisfied with this. The price was reasonable. And the fact that it came with the original packaging is a huge plus for me. Because as you guys know, not only do I repair, I collect. So this guy is going to go into my collection. Again, I would like to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one.